first time I actually had space to really take off and fly was with Cirque du Soleil in Zumanity in Las Vegas, and it was the first time where straps was actually fun. and I mean that, like, it was just exhilarating, so exhilarating to fly around in the air. I started training straps for the first time when I was about 17. I don't know, there was something about it that I was really drawn to. It was, you know, it's really painful at first, and it's really hard to make progress in the beginning. But I was, because it was such a big challenge, I think there was something about it that just drew me to it. After the accident, I remember laying on the ground and thinking about each part of my body and what hurt and what didn't hurt. And actually my head felt really good, and my back felt good, and I was really relieved in that moment that the pain was just coming from my feet and my pelvis. I knew then that I could still at least do straps because my upper body felt really good. The fall happened in February of 2017, and Cirque On Demand happened in February of 2018. So 1 year exactly after the accident, I was competing in the festival. I was doing a duo straps act with my wife. The drive and the determination that I developed in learning straps really carried me through that time of recovery after the accident into the training for the festival. I developed some skills in that way to overcome pain and frustration. I think straps is something that everyone should try. It might awaken something in you, that awakens some kind of drive that you might not have known you had. I'm excited to share the foundation of not only a straps act, but the foundation for any aerial act, because you can apply the technique on straps to any aerial apparatus.
My name is Andrew Adams, and I'm your aerial straps instructor.